So here we are looking at the top of my pool cover in the middle of winter. I guess late winter. We're in our early March right now. And I'm going to show you how to get rid of all this extra water. This is from snow and from rain and from everything that's collected here in the last, really only the last week or two. But this extra water on top of the pool cover is really not great for it. So here's here's how I got rid of it. And not all of you know this exists. So this is basically a pump. I'm going to throw that in there. This is a pump. It's got a weighted base, and on this pump, I'll bring it up, you see a bunch of holes, whole bunch of holes in there. Those little needles are basically pine needles from a tree next door, but that's okay. I'm going to shove this into the bottom or the deepest part of the water, and it's got a hose attached to it, and the hose runs out, down, and I kind of put it over here to the side, and on the end of the hose is a little pump. And you can get these kits. This is actually a kit that was pre-built for me. And I picked it up, it cost about 20 bucks. But right now all I do is I put that in there so the pump is up in the air. It's about 3.5, 4 feet up in the air where the one end of it, where the water is, and the hose comes down. And I'm just going to go ahead and press this a couple times to get the suction going. And this is basically a siphon. Let's see, did I get it? Nope. Let's get going here. There we go. Now what's going to happen is the water is going to slowly siphon out. It's got some air bubbles in it. And that water is going to keep siphoning out, and it's going to take off about 90% of the water on top of that pool cover. Eventually it'll get so shallow that the too many air bubbles will kind of break the suction. But there's now a line of suction. The water will just come out, and I just come out here about once a week when it's warm enough for the water to actually be thawed out, and do this. And in a couple hours, all the water on top of this pool cover, or most of the water on top of this pool cover, will be gone. That's all you do. I'll leave a link for where you can find more of these suction pumps in the comments below.